Hey guys, so I have another, this is probably a eBay or Mercari or something like that, but I have another vintage, well, I guess it's vintage. Sometimes I don't get a vintage one, but anyway, let's take a look at what I picked up. I got quite a few of them coming, so this is pretty well protected. I like that. They double bag this. Wow. And then they cushioned it. And this one was a vintage Dooney. And they only wanted $30 for it. So, ooh, let's see. Let's see what we got here. All right. And then we got cards. Nice. What a nice touch. All right, so I remember this particular style. I have some wallets that have this. And so this is like, I want to say late 90s, early 2000, because I know I have that. And this is really, really nice. This reminds me of the Louis Vuitton. I wonder if that was the reason for this. Like, were they trying to mimic this? It's interesting. All right. Okay. So let's take a look. The strap looks really good. So the strap is not removable, but, and then the zipper is in good shape. It's dirty, but it's in good shape. And the inside is nice and intact. It smells like somebody dropped some perfume in it. Good that it didn't smell bad. And then look at all this leather in here. It's really nice. Okay, and so I think I can flip this inside out for better cleaning. I was trying to see if there was some little tag in here. Oh, here we go. So there we go. Oh, upside down. All right. But this is really nice. It's nice and soft. And this is not bad. It's dirty, but it's pretty much intact. So I can deal with dirty, you know? All right. So I thought that I would share that with you guys. Got the key keeper. Does anybody ever actually use this key keeper? I've tried to use it before, and I think what I sometimes do is I'll put some other little like coin purse or something like that on it, but I've never used it for a key. I don't feel like it's practical for that. But does anybody actually use it for their keys? But anyway, very nice, very soft. I love it. And I like this color. I don't know what, it's a brown, obviously, but it's like a rust kind of brown, I would guess. when I saw it online, I thought it was more of a caramel. And I'm thinking with my lighting, it's kind of coming off caramel. It's not. It's like I said, I would, my brain thinks rust, a rust brown. But anyway, that is what I had to share today, guys. I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye.